How to log out of PancakeSwap in Trust Wallet. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete, and now let's get started. First of all, launch your Trust Wallet application. Start by entering your passcode here. Okay, now you are in your profile. Now at the bottom right corner, you can see the option of browser. Just tap on it. Okay, now go to the search bar and search for PancakeSwap. Okay. Now tap on the first link that is on top. Now you'll come to this page where you can see various options. Now go to the top and you can see this option of wallet. Just tap on it. Now over here at the bottom you can see the option of disconnect. Tap on it and you have successfully logged out of PancakeSwap in your Trust Wallet account. So this is it for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to like and subscribe.